Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome if you are new. My name is Charlen, and on this channel, we focus on BFL, beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and you stay a while. All right, you guys, you saw it in the thumbnail. We are doing a dual haul. Now, the Dupe brand is currently having a 36% off sale day of filming this, and it's supposed to last like throughout the whole week until the end of October. And it's going to be several other sales that will pop up throughout now in, the end of the year. So if you are looking for anything specifically for yourself or someone else, check out my Dupe brand playlist, because I have either on my perfume trays or in my hauls or different things, have discussed several of the Dupe brand fragrances. So if you want to see my thoughts on those things, be sure to check out that playlist. In today's haul, I have 7 that I'm going to share with you. I picked up back in the summer doing another one of the 36% off sale. And I have another grouping to go over with you from that time period as well. So these ones have sat already with me for a while. So this is going to be me sniffing them after they have come out of hiding. Like I said, so a few months of them sitting. When I get them in, I normally spray them on the little packaging that they come in, stick them back in there, and I put them away. So this is going to be my thoughts on the items after they have come out. A couple of these are ones that I have in my collection currently, and the other ones as far as dupes. And then I have one that is original blend that we're going to test out together. So let's just hop right into it. So one of these, I picked up this in the summertime, the Dupe brand version of it, and it is Her Affair. So that is Her Affair. And Her Affair is the one that is duping or inspired by Romance by Ralph Lauren for Her. It's said to be retailing for approximately $145, and it is considered a fruity floral fragrance. So it has notes of ginger, chamomile oil, Sicilian lemon, freesia, rose, lily, carnation, white violet, lotus, patchouli, oak moss, sandalwood, and white musk accord. Now, this fragrance itself went on sale during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, so I was able to score it half off. So this is what the actual fragrance itself looks like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison in another video. But the Ralph Lauren Romance at 3.4 ounce and 100 ml. I believe I saw Ulta was going to have this again on sale during the upcoming sales that they're doing, and overlapping the same time that Sephora is having their VIB sale. They're doing a 40% off sale, I believe, with Ulta. And I think I saw this particular fragrance on one of the weeks, because they're doing it by weeks. They're doing weekly beauty steals. And I think this is back on there again. So if you're interested in the actual OG version, it will be on sale through Ulta soon. But going back to Dupe, the Dupe brand Her Affair is what it's called. So let me see what I think of this fragrance. A lot of times when I open these, I can smell it off the top, but I'm not really smelling this one too strong off the top, so I'm gonna spray it. Okay, you definitely, so you definitely is picking up, it says like chamomile oil and ginger and lemon. I'm definitely picking that up right away, but I also smelled violet right away. Oh, all these florals is blending very beautifully. Okay, this is going to be nice. This is definitely, like it says, a fruity floral. It's very romantic, so I can see why they call it romance. It has a light airiness about it, so that's where that freesia and that white musk is coming in, and a lotus. It has an airiness about it, and it has a sweetness about it. Yeah, and the lemon note is in there. It's just giving it a nice freshness about it. So fresh, airy, romantic is how I would describe this one. So yes, that is Her Affair. The next one that I have that I wanted, because I have it in my collection, is the dupe for the Sol de Janeiro 59. It's called Sugar, Violet, and Sandalwood. So that is this one. Sugar, Violet, and Sandalwood. So like I said, it's inspired by Sol 59 by Sol de Janeiro, which is considered a floral amber. And this has notes of plum, sugar violet, vanilla orchid, whipped amber, sandalwood, and vetiver. So Sol 59 lists the actual notes of vanilla, orchid, sugar violet, and sheer sandalwood. So the duo picked up on other notes in here that is not listed. So let's see what the comparison is like. Oh, yeah. This is, yeah. Woo! Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so, yes. So this, they did it. They did it. So if you love Sol de Janeiro Sol 59, you are going to love the Sugar Violet and Sandalwood. So to me, these two are very similar. I would do a wear test on them to really follow up on it, but yes, I am definitely picking up on the same notes with that one. So that's exciting. All right, so the next one I have here is Fashionable Personality. That's what this one looks like. Now this one says it is inspired by Cavianco by Henry Jacques. It's considered a fruity floral with unisex fragrance that has notes of violet, raspberry, lily of the valley, iris, jasmine, rose centifolia, amber, musk, and vanilla. Whew. All right, so I am definitely picking up several different florals in here, like it's saying. Oh my goodness. This is, like it said, fashionable. I could see like designer type, like you're going out like to some type of event. I could see this being very appropriate with this. That's the vibes that I am getting from smelling this. Yeah, I am getting those vibes. To me, this is more of put together, a woman that's put together type of scent. I don't think any younger girls or anything would appreciate this scent or would enjoy this scent as much as someone more business-like, an event. That's what this one is giving me. So that is Fashionable Personality. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous floral fruity scent. But the picture on here describes this fragrance perfectly. That type of vibe, that's what you're giving. That's what that's for. All right, the next one I have is Fantasmic Glaze. It looks like this. Now, Fantasmic Glaze is inspired by Glaze Ecstasy by Simone Andrioli. That normally retails for $162. This is considered a fruity gourmand unisex fragrance that has notes of vanilla cream, apricot, raspberries, and caramel. Ooh, that smells delicious. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. I smell the raspberries and I smell the apricot in here, and they're balancing both together very well. Oh yes. And it definitely is giving me a creaminess. I smell the caramel. Oh my goodness. This is going to be great for this time of year. So yes, this is delicious. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that cake on there is throwing me off because it does not have a cake note. What you're smelling is this stuff up here on the top. That's what you're smelling. The cream with the raspberry with some apricot, like preserve type, and some caramel drizzled on top. Oh yeah, this is going to be gorgeous for this fall and winter. Okay, the next one I have here is Peach Spice Crumble Pie. That's what this one looks like. So Peach Spice Crumble Pie is a dupe from the Le Monde Gourmand brand, Peche Delicieux. So it has notes of peach, crumble, cinnamon, orange, cocoa, white rose, caramel, creamy vanilla, soft woods, and baked musks. Okay, now this right here is definitely you picking up on the crumbles. Like it says peach crumbles. Yes, you're definitely. Okay, ooh. I get a slight cinnamon and slight caramel and a lot of caramel actually and vanilla, but I am definitely getting the peach scent and I am definitely getting the crumble scent. And peach for me can go hit or miss, but this peach smells gorgeous, so I'm really hoping I'm going to enjoy this on my skin. That's why I picked this one up, because I felt like since it's a gourmand, I should love it more on my skin, but we shall see. But this is the Peach Spice Crumble Pie. Smells gorgeous. Definitely a gourmand lover. If you love peach, you're going to love this. All right, two more. One another inspiration and one from the original creation. So Accidental Vanilla Cream of Berries is the next one. That's what it looks like. And this one is inspired from the Accident a la Vanille Creme de la Berry by Dupe Perfumes. This one normally retails for $200 and is considered a gourmand, and it's a unisex fragrance. It has notes of cheesecake, strawberry, vanilla listed twice, whipped cream, sandalwood, vanilla again, and then Styrex. So this is definitely okay. So I am picking up definitely on the cheesecake note. I love me a good strawberry cheesecake. So when I saw this listed with strawberry and cheesecake as the note and all these vanillas listed, I said, girl, that's right up your alley if they did it right. So I'm really hoping they did it right, because then it has whipped cream and sandalwood, which sandalwood is just a creamy, woodsy scent. So that's even better. So it's going to help ground it. But this smells delicious. This smells like strawberry cheesecake. Like the scent that you get while you're eating the strawberry cheesecake, that scent that you smell, this is what I'm smelling. Oh, smells so good. So this is Accidental Vanilla Cream of Berries. We are getting creamy berry in this, and I'm hoping that it delivers on the skin. And then the next one is original blend from Dupe. It's Lady in Pink. It's a nice cute bottle they got there of the female listed. So Lady in Pink is considered a fruity floral with notes of raspberry, pink peony, pink pepper, mandarin, orange, violets, carnation, pink Turkish rose, heliotrope, white musk, Madagascar vanilla, and steamed milk. This smells beautiful. Oh my goodness, this smells beautiful. Oh, femininity at its best. Oh, this is gorgeous. They blended these florals very good. And it has the berries. Yeah, this is gorgeous, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love this. I can't wait to wear this on my skin to see how it's going to perform on me with my skin chemistry. But smelling it off the top, this smells beautiful. Oh my goodness. So this is one of their original creations. Every now and again, I dab my toes in the original creations to see what the company does themselves. You know, they're good at duping and mixing the perfumes and giving us those hybrids and tribits and quadrants, you know, mixing the different dupe fragrances together. But I've had several of their original creations that are very nice as well. And this smells beautiful. So this is Lady in Pink. I am hoping that how it performs on me is as good as it's coming off that top. All right, so none of these, just sniffing them, first impressions, are smelling terrible in any way. I think they all smell great. So we're going to see how they perform. So stay tuned to my channel, you guys, to see these either on my perfume trays or me doing reviews on my Dupe perfumes, because I will be doing upcoming reviews, follow-ups to these hauls. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Comment down below, do you have any of these fragrances? If you do, what are your thoughts on them? I would love to know. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.